Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be safe and fine in your home. Students, in the previous two videos, we had learned about matter, mass, and volume. And in this video, we will study about non-matter and the states of matter. Students, in this video, we will study lesson number 2 of Unit 7, which is matter. I have told you earlier that matter is something which occupies space and has mass. For example, bed, pencil, snow, milk, juice, gas in a balloon, wind, fog, tree. These all are the examples of matter. Students, now we will study about non-matter. What is non-matter? So, students, things that do not have mass, volume, or both are called non-matter. Basically, any type of energy or any abstract concept is an example of something that is non-matter. So, some examples of non-matter are heat, light, sound, electricity, rainbow, memories, information, thought, love, anger, happiness, kindness, and so on. So, students, we cannot hold, taste, or smell non matter. Okay? We cannot taste, hold, or touch non matter. Now, we will study the states of matter. Matter exists in three states. Number one is solid, number two is liquid, and number three is gas. Okay, students? Matter on the earth is in the form of solids, liquids, or gases. Solid, liquid, and gases are made up of tiny particles called atoms. So, actually, matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms, and atoms are too small to be seen by our eyes. Atoms are too small to be seen by our eyes. We cannot see atoms with our naked eyes. We can see atoms by means of microscope. Now I am giving you some examples of solids. Students, book, ball, desk, paper, pen, chair, table. These are some examples of solids. And what are some examples of liquids? Students, milk, juice, water, oil, tea, and cold drinks are some examples of liquids. And now we will study some examples of gas. Students, steam, wind, fog, gas in a balloon, wind from a fan, hot air balloon. These are some examples of gas. My dear students, now we will study states of matter in detail. And first of all, we will learn about solids. Students, in solids, the atoms are very close together and vibrate in position but don't move past one another. Students, a solid can hold its shape. Solids have fixed shape and size. It means solids have fixed mass and volume. Students, a solid's size and shape do not change easily. For example, when a person moves a book from a smaller to a bigger box, the book looks the same. Now we will study about liquids. In liquids, the atoms are close together, but not as much as they are in solids. So the atoms of the liquids are closer together, always moving, and can slide past one another. Students, in liquids, there is fixed volume, but liquids do not have fixed shape. The shape of the liquid depends on its container. For example, water changes shape when a person pours it from a cup into a glass. Now about gases. In gases, the atoms are very far apart as compared to the atoms in a solid or liquid and are constantly moving. Students, gas has neither fixed volume nor fixed shape. The air and the helium used to fill balloons are examples of gases. It can expand to fill a large container or it can be squeezed into a smaller container. Students, now Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, students.